Wow. Can you move the other way? No, we're just going to bounce one way today. See if we can show everyone. Good moving, Caden. Look at you. It's like it's a jelly jumper. Not very graceful yet, though, eh? Yeah. Oh, I'll take the camera. I'll take the camera. Oh, please. I'll take the camera.